Hello, my dear friends. Myself Ujjwal Siddhar. Today I'm here to practice the Google Ads dashboard, which was our first class. I enrolled in the courses. So the dashboard overview of the Google Ads. You can see there. This is the Google Ads MCC manager account. How do we define that this is the manager account? You can see that my name is appearing here, Ujjwal. If uh, if there is a ad account, it's not manager account. Then you can see ad means Ujjwal, and there is some Ujjwal. Find that this is the manager account. So when you go to the manager account, you can see it's a plain. There is no arrow symbol here. Oh, bye. Walaikum salam. You have to the Google Ads will go towards the goal. So is to set up is a very essential in the first steps before start any campaign run. Okay, so you can see there is a converted lead or whatever is a qualified lead. So guessing this is a service whatever. So now we know there is a set up a goal, and if there is no set up a goal, we can advise our client to set up a goal through the way. You can see this. We have a many options. Purchase, qualified lead, converted lead, sign up, subscribe, follow, lead call, submit, lead form, book appointment, request, contract, add to basket, and we can check out. Two categories are there. One is a D2C, means e-commerce. Another one is a service-based business like plumbing, electrician, and all those things. So this is a summary. The next things, let's go to the campaign. What do we have to check? Insight. There is an insight and report. You can see the insight. And okay, let's go to the overview. This overview is a first page that where we can see all the element metrics of our ads in one place. Okay, everything we can see in one place. So if we want to change uh, click, no problem. Inflation we don't need. What we can do here, we can do the cost. So the click and cost, we can make a decision how it is performing, and we can check here if the conversion, we can put the conversion. If it is e-commerce, then we can put it the purchase or sale. If sign up is, we can say as let's see, we can sign up. How many sign up cost, and another one we can see, we can take here the conversion value per cost. Okay, so the metrics we can fix as I have instant in front of the clients. I'm showing the clients to show this the metrics, so we can guess quickly how is performing the ads. Okay, and let's go to the insights. This is the insights report. Insights and reports are overall performance across the campaign. You can see the interest cost average is the same thing. What we have done here is the table format, and auction insight. Auction means where all the ads are fitting to the search page. When you write any keywords, and we have keyword our campaign. So in the trigger on that specific keywords, our ads shown on the screen, and that is auction. We have to participate in the auction, and we have to win the auction where our ads will show absolute page or top page or below the page. Is depend on that. Such is something that are writing randomly. We don't know. Figure out people are searching around our business. That is called search term. And keyword, what is the keyword means? Search term can be anything like Kisuna. This is also a search term, but this is not relevant to our business, right? Suppose I am selling the Google Ad service. So if the people write any Google Ad expert near me, that is the keyword. Keyword means like I am the key person of my family. But is everything depend on me in my family. So I am the key person. Key person is the person is who command everything. So keyword is the word that commanding the things are looking for. So this is the keywords and the search term. This is the different. Okay, search meaningless also. Whatever the people are writing, that is the search term, and keywords should have an intent or meaning. The things are looking for, and when our ads are visible in the search space, that is called keyword. So when and where ads shown, and where ads shown. You can see device, mobile, computer, when and where ads shown. I what is, you can see if we want to change here something, matrix, then we can go in the column and we can, okay, you can see the recommended here. We can, like, we don't want impression, okay, then so it will be cut from the column here. It will not showing anymore here. So this is how we can, if according to our modify column, according to our needs, attribute, we can also add group, bit, adjust, or you can bit simulator, is that click with is more details. I don't know, but we have to learn this. Every single thing, so you have to learn the performance. How is the performance? Is click, cost, what is CPC and CTR. Not forget about the CTR. But rather than we can go to what is the why CTR? We don't want CTR. We want to apply. What is the conversion rate? Where is the conversion is going to the performance. Under performance, I think the conversion is there. No, no, not in the performance. Attribution, bit moderations, recommended column. Okay, the conversion is here. Okay, we can click it here, apply. So the conversion will appear in the column. So it will help us to take the decisions, what kind of action we need to be done. So next one is the channel performance. What kind of channels? Channel what is the performance? I can, this is my new accounts. I don't have any data. Channels performance means we can see the which kind of like tablet, mobile, laptop. It could be like that, or it could be Facebook, TikTok. I don't know. This is also a channel. Let us see. This is the landing page. We know what is the landing page. People are landing on plane and landing airport. This is the landing ground where the people are landing in the website. Land, that is called landing page. For I have shown the check, and we can attribute, we can conversions and viewability performance. We can add, or we can engage. We can what is the metrics relevant, or we need it for our, this is the shops. I don't know what is the shops, physical stores or something. There is no data. And editors, report editors means I can understand the meanings, but I don't know what is the action is in these cases. So okay, takes too much time. Okay, let's go. That's why it takes time. It's in the dashboard to the option campaign. Okay, the campaign, under the campaign. Okay, let's go to the important under the campaign. There's a campaign experiment and campaign group. You see the campaign. So this all first add, then add group, demo. This is the campaign, and under the campaign there is a of the campaign the name, and add here you show you and see we add here there too. If we'll see or wait, not showing, I don't know or what. Okay, it's coming the mobile view, and the is here in the corner right, on the top corner there. So yeah, see that by G4 grow your business or of course Google Ads and link and so and so. Okay, review the and experiment. So this is I'm playing with campaign I having under this ad account, but we can for particular and we through the similar options will be there. So it's for the campaign group, maybe multiple add, maybe many campaign make price the campaign group, maybe the maybe under the lead and the pretty good. I'm sorry to say that is in my mind whenever just come I just explain it. Even the assets, you know, the assets, there are many assets. They want to use the logo, you have to be verified first. Do even the structure is local businesses and location, price, apps, promotion. These three things: business name and business. this other one here, and audience and contents. You see, content for that following the options. Important elements are key. While this is the keywords is this is say that third break buy green tea online inside the gate, that is exact match, is string like you can see there double quotation matcha tea, that is a fresh match. This is again the exact match. This is again a fresh match. We have broadness here. So this is the match. See the audience here. I forget to show them. So what is the negative? Yes, that Google Ads course, a paid course, people need to enroll by getting some money cash, right? So the free Google, if some put the keyword, so this is free. Course is not free. Can be our negative words. If someone writes free, that means my ads will not trigger to that particular person. So is in that particular scenario, the free is the negative word. Okay. In school URL and URL, we can we want to okay could be my audience, so we can the URL in particular landing page that we need this type of over here, so we can be excluded. That is what is my thought. I don't know details in it. I have to still learn audience. What is the audience now? Means buyer persona. Okay, let's go to the location. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. A particular campaign that's ad schedule with day and night. First, to run our 12 p.m. of our investment. We give and in budget. At the same time, we have a column. We can take about the. We have to check and things and what is the option and for sure different options has a different requirement of the metrics. All option conversions is when we'll be getting more expert, then we'll come to know proper the appropriate metric on that every single options will be alignment with the relevant. I think this is the system for remove and whatever the tools. You can as Asset Studio or we and the planning is you can see the keyword planner where we will be out how much it and what is search and keyword research and performance. We have advertising hub. So here is under the shared library audience manager, creator partnership content suitability manager. Event manager is something where is the read can be happen. I don't maybe the return something in policy manager bulk action means to do it and you can see the bidding budget advantage share will fix the budget across and specify specific campaign that is I think this is shared budget. What is this data? So